In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check CPU temperature on Windows 11. Keeping an eye on your CPU temperature helps you understand how hard your computer is working and whether your cooling is doing its job. It's especially useful during gaming, video editing, or any task that pushes your system. Windows 11 makes this simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for and how to interpret what you see. First, open Task Manager using the quickest shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time. This takes you straight into Task Manager without any extra clicks. Give it a moment to appear. If your system is busy, there might be a brief delay, which is normal. Once Task Manager is open, look for the Performance section. In the Windows 11 layout, you'll see a vertical navigation pane on the left. Choose Performance there. The Performance view shows live graphs and details for your hardware components, including CPU, memory, disks, network, and graphics. This is where we'll check temperature information for your processor. Now, within Performance, focus on the CPU area. You'll see your processor name, current utilization, speed, number of cores, and other technical details updating in real time. If your device and drivers expose temperature data to Windows, Task Manager will show the CPU temperature right on this page, displayed in degrees Celsius. The exact placement can vary slightly by build, but it typically appears alongside the other CPU stats. If you see it, that means Windows is successfully reading the sensor from your hardware. If you don't see a temperature value, don't worry. Not every system reports CPU temperature to Task Manager. This can depend on your motherboard, your processor, your device manufacturer, and the version of Windows you're running. Some systems simply don't surface that sensor to Windows, especially in virtual machines or on certain older or highly customized devices. In that case, Task Manager is working correctly. It just isn't receiving a temperature reading from the hardware. When a temperature is visible, here's how to make sense of it. At idle or during light work, like browsing and documents, many desktops and laptops sit roughly in the 30 to 50 degrees Celsius range, though compact laptops may run warmer. Under heavy load, it's common to see 70 to 90 degrees, depending on the cooling design. Brief spikes are normal. Consistently high temperatures near the top of that range can indicate limited airflow or dust buildup, especially on older systems. That's all there is to it. By using Task Manager's Performance view, you can quickly confirm whether Windows 11 is reporting your CPU temperature and keep tabs on your system's thermal health.